Well, we have a really interesting one here. Straight out of 1975. No frills installation, we call this. Budget friendly. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and we are coming to you from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we are installing some Nucore White Blossom. We're going to show you before and after of how this apartment looked. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it in drive. With the radio so loud they can hear us from miles.
This is going to be quite the transformation. I mean, we have these little 12 by 12 tiles that have seen their better day 30 years ago. They had some horrible carpet, laminate in the other rooms. I mean, this unit looks like they have not done any improvements in about 20 or 30 years. So it is going to be quite the transformation putting in this brand new modern vinyl floor, some cool square modern baseboards, and hopefully someone comes behind us and gives this place a good cleaning and paint job because it really needs it. But this is a nice wide plank Nucore we're working with. We are doing the Nucore White Blossom Rigid Core vinyl floor. It's over 9 inches wide, 60 inches long. Of course, we have our 6mm vapor barrier under our Nucore. 99% of all vinyls on the market are going to require a vapor barrier. Do not skip that. I get a lot of people think that because they're putting it over tile and it's not concrete, you don't need it. You absolutely need it over everything on the first floor unless you're putting it over a wood subfloor. Now, we had tile throughout, but the interesting thing is they did not have tile in the master bedroom. And this is a big opening. There's no door that goes here, so it would look horrendous to stop and start the floor and put a threshold. So what we did was we built it up with Durarock. Durarock is the best substrate to build up with. It is moisture resistant, it's mold resistant, it's completely waterproof, and that way you're putting a waterproof floor in. You don't want to put cork or plywood even down if you don't have to. But the Durarock is going to make it moisture proof. And we doubled down on it by not just doing a Durarock, but we put a 6mm poly under the Durarock as well. And then we're going to put one on top of it. We're basically going to have a triple moisture barrier here. We're going to have the 6mm, the Durarock, the 6mm again, and then our waterproof flooring on top of it. And luckily, I'm so happy they're getting rid of the baseboard and upgrading to a new baseboard, because look at these things. They had two different kinds of baseboards, and I have a hard time believing it, but these were the nicer of the two baseboards. You can believe that. The other one was even smaller. All right, check out this transformation. This apartment looked so dirty, run down, old, but we installed 1,200 feet of Nucore White Blossom. And look at the difference. It's so clean. I love the white, lighter color floors. I think they make such a difference. They brighten things up. They make things look cleaner. Obviously, they're going to be a little more work to keep clean, but this is a second property for someone. A musician in South America comes here every once in a while to write songs and relax. And look at the difference. Look at this room before and after. Night and day. White and black. Dark to light. I love that contrast in the color. When you have dark furniture, light color floor, it looks great. Not so crazy about this piece, but the rest of the furniture looks great. And of course, we finished it off with the 5-inch square top modern profile baseboard. They had a nice 2-inch base before that was buried under the tile. It looked like it was an inch tall. Curved top. It looked like part of the wall. You couldn't even appreciate it. Didn't even look like base, but check that out. Of course, it needs to be painted in caulk still. This was a no frills installation. We just did the basics, came in, installed the floor, installed some base, and they're gonna take over from there. They have a handyman that's working, doing some bathrooms, some other things. He'll paint, caulk, do all that good stuff. But hey, we did our part, and I think we made a huge difference. It was dirty, it was dark, it was dingy, Now it looks clean and modern. Well, that's a serious transformation. I'll be honest with you. I didn't even want to work in here. It was so dirty. It was so dingy. Unorganized mess that we had to deal with when we started this job. Now it looks like a completely different apartment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of our other content where we do some really crazy jobs. We show you how to install floors. We do staircases. We do wood on ceilings. We do it all. So please like, share, tell your friends and family. And of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite Flora and Mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.